Hey guys, today we are going to be doing math lesson 93. So let's start off with today's date and our number pattern and our coin cup. So I already have it written on my board. It's just like what we do in the morning at school with our math meeting strips. You can just use a piece of paper at home. Okay, so today's date is March 31st, 2020. All right, so let's say it together. You echo after me. Ready? March 31st, 2020. Good job. Let's say it all together now. Ready? Here we go. March 31st, 2020. Very good. All right, today is our last day of March. I can't believe it. And we'll get to that when we do our math meeting book in just a minute. Let's go ahead and look at our number pattern today. We have blank, 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 6, 4, 2. Okay, I'm going to let you work on that, okay, for just a moment. All right, just a little bit longer to get that number pattern. Okay, here we go. So we're counting backwards. 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. Can you tell how we're counting backwards? Are we counting backwards by 2s? That's right, we are. So let's just kind of go the wrong way so we can check it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. But of course, we read it backwards going this way. So, okay, if you need help with that, look on your numbers chart, okay? So let's say I know I have 6, 4, 2, right? 2, 4, 6, right? I can see the pattern. I skipped over a number. Skip over a number, skip over a number, skip over a number, okay? So if you need to, you can use your hundreds chart. All right, our last thing we're going to do is our coin cup for our math meeting strip. So I've got our coin cup here, right here. We'll pour it out. It is all pennies today. So I'm going to count that. I'm going to use this right here for my little table. All right, here's my cup. All right, count with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, we have 13 cents in our coin cup. So I'm going to write that here. 13 cents. All right. Did you see how I wrote that right there? 13 cents. Okay, remember now we make it into a group of 10. Let's see how many groups of 10 will I have. Can you take a guess? Think about it. If I have 13, how many 10s are in there? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've got one group of 10, and I'll show you this in just a second. Now I have 1, 2, 3. Oh, I don't have 10 in that group. Okay, so let's look at this. Here it is. Okay, so this is my group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then over here I have 1, 2, 3. So remember, we're trading out 10 pennies gives us what? We should be able to trade out for 1 dime. Oh, Miss Shaw, where is your dime? I thought I got one out. Let me look real quick, boys and girls. Oh, silly, silly. Have to look for my dime. I thought I got one out. All right. Well, that's okay. Okay, so there's my 10 pennies. Oh, there's my dime. So I'm going to get rid of these pennies and replace it with a dime. Now, do I get to have these 3 pennies? Do I get to replace them with a dime? No, because there are not 10 of them. So let's count it again. 10, 11, 12, 13. We still have 13 cents. Good job, guys. Okay, go ahead and clean up and get that math meeting book out. Here we go. I'm going to flip us back around. Okay. So let's get our math meeting book out now. We're going to get ready to do today's date and our weather graph and all that good stuff. Okay, so flip to your March calendar. All right, yesterday we did March 30th. So what are we going to put today? What's today's date? It is March 31st. Miss Shaw needs to do that too. I haven't done that. 31st. Today is Tuesday, March 31st. All right. It is the last day of March. I can't believe it. So let's get ready to say our months, our 30 days poem. So here we go. 30 days has September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31, except for February. It's the one which only has 28 days clear and 29 in each leap year. So this is our last day. Tomorrow, when we do our lesson, we'll go to our April calendar. Okay, everybody go to your weather graph. And let's look at the weather. Look out the window. What does it look like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it snowing? Can't imagine. Okay, so go ahead and fill in. This is your last day. And do me a favor and count up. How many rainy days did you have in March? How many cloudy days did you have in March? How many, did I say sunny, cloudy, rainy, and how many snowy days did you have in March? I don't think we had any snowy days in March. Who had the most? Which column won? I know in February, the cloudy days won by far. It was such a cloudy February. So let me know. Maybe you can send me a little video back that says cloudy one or rainy one. Okay, let me know. I don't remember. So, okay. So that's our weather graph. Let's go all the way back to our hundreds chart. Perfect. Look what I did. I filled in my counting strips. I didn't have that done yesterday, so I wanted to have that done for today. All right, let's go ahead and let's start up here, and we are going to count by tens. Are you ready? Get ready to go. Get your pointer finger ready. And let's start with 10. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Good job. Make sure that your brothers and sisters and your mom and dad can hear you count, okay? All right, let's count by twos. Finger at the top. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Good job. All right, now back up to the top we go. We're going to do our odd numbers, starting at the top at 1. Here we go. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23. And now we're going to be silly. We're going to count fives backwards. So we're going to start at the bottom. So pointy finger ready to go at the bottom. Here we go. Say 60, 55, 50, 45, 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5, all the way to the top. Very good. Good job. All right, so I think we are done. Oh, whoops, no, you're not, Miss Shaw. Silly, silly. Everybody go back one page, and we're going to add to our number line. So find out where you were. Maybe over here. and add the next number, okay? So there you go. If you need to ask Mom, you can ask Mom, is this correct? Did I write it correct? That would be great. That would be very helpful. All right, number line is done. Okay, I'm going to write a number really quickly on my board, and we're going to talk about our tens and our ones, our dimes and our pennies. All right, the number today is 57, right? You see that? 57. Okay, if this were cents, 57 cents, how many dimes would I have? Can you think about it? Let me know. I would have 5 dimes, wouldn't I? All right, now, how many pennies would I have? I would have 7 pennies. That's right. I would count 5 dimes and 7 pennies. Okay, let's get rid of that cent sign, and let's talk about our tens and our ones, our 10 blocks and our 1 cubes. Okay, how many tens do I have in this number? I have 5 tens, right? And how many ones do I have? I have 7 ones, right? This column is called the tens, and this one is called the ones. Tens, ones. Good. That's our tens and ones review today. All right. Today we are going to talk about which number is larger. So let me grab my hundredths chart in case we need it. It's always a good thing to have. All right, I'm going to give you 2 numbers, and I want you to tell me which one is larger, okay? So here we go. Don't peek. Oops, if I could write clear. Here we go. Let's try that again. There we go. Okay, I have 2 numbers written on my board. I have 23 and I have 50. Which do you think is larger? Did you say 50? If you did, good job. Okay, let's try it again. All right, I'm looking for a number. All right, that 5 is funny. Okay, here we go. I've got 2 numbers, 45 and 19. Which number is larger? Can you tell which one it is? Did you say 45? If you did, good job. That's right, 45 is larger than 19. All right, let's try some more. I have a feeling you're getting the hang of this. Let's see, I need a number. Ooh. All right, here we go. I have 33 and I have 30. Which one is larger? Can you tell? They kind of look similar, don't they? But which one's bigger? Which one's larger? Did you say 33? If you did, good job. Very nice. 33 is larger than 30. All right, one last one before we're done with that, okay? Let's make sure we're getting this. Okay. It's hard to think of numbers on the spot sometimes. Okay, let's do this. Okay, here we go. I have 2 numbers, 10 and 7. Which number is larger? Did you say 10? You did, good job. 10 is the larger number here. Very good. All right, that is it for today. You can practice your counting by tens rap. We did that yesterday together. And get out your worksheet for lesson 93 and go ahead and get that done with Mom and or Dad. So, okay, good job. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.